Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable the keyboard toolbar in this device. So in this on this keyboard, you can see the toolbar. This is the toolbar. You can see. So let me now. This is enabled in this device. If you want to disable this one, simply go to Settings. Scroll to bottom. Tap on the option General Management. Tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Okay. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option keyboard toolbar. Now this is enabled. If you want to disable this one, turn off this option, tap on OK. Now again I am going to open my keyboard. You can see the toolbar is not there. If you want to enable, simply turn on this option. Again open the keyboard. You can see the keyboard toolbar is there. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the keyboard toolbar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.